Hi and welcome to the Blues Guitar Clinic 2009. This video is about the shuffle rhythm or the shuffle feel. It's very important we get a good understanding of how this works because we will be using it a lot in the Blues Guitar Clinic. This is how we might play it. It's got a kind of a triplet feel. Now for those of you who can't really read music very well, the numbers at the bottom kind of explain that. It's just kind of got that 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a kind of feel. It's kind of very bouncy, what we call a shuffle feel. This is an example of how it sounds. Here's how you might play it, just on 2 strings. The first example here in tab is with an A7 chord, and the next part is a D7 chord and an E7 chord. You can see this in one of my other videos on the Ning website in more detail, the video called The Blues Shuffle. And here's a blues in A, and I think we should take some time to play the shuffle pattern in the key of A, which can be very useful. Take this away, stop the video, have a look at it. We have an A7 chord for 4 bars, of course using the shuffle rhythm previously learned, the D7 chord for 2 bars, A7 for another 2 bars, and then the last 4 bars we have E7, D7, A7, and as we will discover in the Blues Guitar Clinic and learn a lot more about, we have an A7 turnaround right at the end in the last bar. The blues scale. Very important that we learn the blues scale. This is the blues pentatonic scale. We will discover more about its uses, variations, and the theory behind it later on at the Blues Guitar Clinic. Here's the scale written down in a kind of a neck diagram. This is how we want to visualize this scale and try and memorize how it looks. The guitar is a very visual instrument, and we need to memorize patterns on the fretboard. This is a particularly useful diagram that I like to use quite a lot, and we will be using more of in the Guitar Clinic. At this point, it is important that we all have a good grasp of both the scale and the chord shuffle, as this will come in very handy when we jam at the Blues Guitar Clinic. Visit the website johnnysguitarclass.co.uk for more on blues guitar clinics, jazz guitar clinics, guitar courses, private tuition, podcasts, videos and more.